Hello, check out this cool toy. It's a Magic Ball Rainbow Spherical Magic Cue Ball. It's an anti-stress rainbow puzzle ball for kids. It's an educational toy. It costs less than $3 on Aliexpress. Comes with a nice packaging. It's suitable for children that are above 3 years. No small parts. For adults, it isn't a very difficult game. Kids love it. You need to arrange the inner balls, spheres, according to the colors. You can see a link to buy this product in the description of this video. Feel free to like and share this video if you found it useful. Bye!